Anthony Frank Gaggi, better known as Nino Gaggi, was a prominent figure in the world of organized crime in the United States. As a caporegime in the notorious Gambino crime family, Gaggi wielded significant influence and power within the criminal underworld. This article will delve into the various aspects of Nino Gaggi's life, including his early career, involvement with the infamous DeMeo Crew, the Eppolito murders, his eventual downfall, and his demise. Early career. Nino Gaggi's journey into organized crime began during his formative years, as he became associated with the Gambino crime family in New York. His reputation as a shrewd and resourceful individual quickly grew, earning him the respect and trust of his peers. Gaggi's rise through the ranks of the organization was marked by his astute business acumen and ability to navigate the complex dynamics of the criminal underworld. DeMeo Crew. Gaggi's name became synonymous with the notorious DeMeo Crew, a ruthless and deadly group within the Gambino crime family. As a key figure within this lethal organization, Gaggi played a pivotal role in overseeing various criminal activities, including drug trafficking, extortion, and contract killings. The DeMeo Crew, under Gaggi's guidance, cemented its reputation as one of the most feared and efficient criminal operations of its time. Eppolito murders. The shadow of infamy looms large over Nino Gaggi due to his involvement in the Eppolito murders. These killings, orchestrated by the Gambino crime family, sent shockwaves through law enforcement and the public alike. Gaggi's connection to this heinous act further solidified his reputation as a formidable and ruthless figure within organized crime circles. Downfall. Despite his prowess in evading law enforcement and maintaining control within the criminal underworld, Nino Gaggi's empire eventually began to crumble. Increased scrutiny from law enforcement and internal strife within the Gambino crime family led to a series of setbacks for Gaggi. His once unassailable position of power became increasingly tenuous as the walls closed in around him. Death. On April 17, 1988, while awaiting his second trial, Gaggi died of a heart attack. Gaggi had told a guard that he was suffering chest pain, but the guard did nothing. It was widely speculated that Gaggi might have survived his heart attack if prison personnel had acted sooner and sent him to the hospital. Gaggi's wife successfully sued the prison system for negligence, assisted by testimony from several other inmates. Gaggi's death sparked a controversy that eventually resulted in better medical conditions in New York City prisons. Conclusion. The life of Nino Gaggi is a compelling and cautionary tale, encapsulating the rise and fall of a formidable figure within the American mafia. Gaggi's legacy, marred by violence and criminality, serves as a reminder of the far-reaching impact of organized crime on society. His story is one marked by notoriety, power, and ultimately, tragic downfall.